Hey friends, if Security Center failed to validate caller with the error DC040780, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to remove any third-party antivirus. See, I'll explain the cause behind it. Basically, it is interference by an antivirus or the third party's antivirus software product. So we'll just try the three main solutions. Right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, and then you can go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then click on the three dots associated with feedback hub, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. The next one is to disable Windows Defender. How would you do that? Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Okay, go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab, click on Manage Settings, and then turn off Real-Time Protection. The last one is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Okay, and how would you do that? So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on Disable all, apply OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.